Welcome to Deutz Generator Maintenance Crash Course, Maintenance Schedule 101. Daily check before each heat. Let's check the engine oil level, coolant level, and fuel gauge. At 5 hours, replace engine oil and oil filter, keeping lubrication clean and extend engine life. Every 1,000 hours or sooner in dusty conditions, clean or replace these air filters to ensure the proper air flow. At 2,000 hours, we need to inspect the belt tension, hose clamps, and the electrical components to prevent the downtime. Enable the remote monitoring for real-time alert and data logging, making the maintenance more proactive and smart. Remember these 4 steps to keep your 150 kVA generator running smoothly. Contact us for more details. See you next time!